With Eoiin Connect, we've strived to create a simple and clean interface to track your project and manage your tasks. All the relevant information is put at your fingertips. But what if you don't need a milestone, an agile card, an issue, or a risk anymore? To keep each workspace clean and tidy, we've added archives to each module. The archive allows you to hide information within each module, but refer back to it or bring it back if you need it in the future. Say you've closed an issue, now it's done and dusted, you can archive it. But say it rears its head again in the future. You can jump into the archive, locate the issue, and hit recover to retrieve all the previously recorded information. Toggle off the archive again, and boom, it's back in your main display. Let's look at milestones as another example. As you can see, each task for this milestone has been completed. A couple of months have passed now, so we don't need this milestone here anymore. Click on the milestone to open it up. Click the Edit Pencil icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen to get more options. Then select Archive and the milestone will disappear from view. You can also add items to the archive in bulk. Click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner and turn on Archive Mode from the drop-down menu. In Archive Mode, you can select what you want to archive using the checkboxes in the very right column and selecting Archive. Archive data doesn't contribute towards your health ratings or reporting for any module, be it on your project detail screen or in program view. After 60 days, archive data will be deleted. Now let's assume we need to re-access that milestone information for whatever reason, maybe just for reference, or some aspect of it was incomplete and we need to revisit it. Clicking on the three dots in the top right-hand corner of the screen and switching the toggle here loads the archive. Locate the milestone in question on the list, click it again to open it. Then select Recover, and you'll be returned to the main view along with the milestone. This same process works not only in milestones, but also finance, issues, and risks, as well as every agile card. Obviously, once it's recovered from the archive, it'll factor back into the relevant health rating and be included in your reports. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorials if you'd like to learn more about the features within the application. Eoiin Connect. Organize your projects, connect your team, manage your work, and grow your business.